Welcome to Spring Lib.
In this question, the mass moment of inertia Ig equals m r square, which is equal 500 multiply 0.5 square equals 125 kilogram dot meter square. And now by writing the moment equation of motion about point A, so sum of moment about A equals sum of mk around A equals 0, 125 alpha minus 500 Ag multiply 0.5, and this equation is number 1. Now since the culvert doesn't slip at point A, so we can say that A of A in t direction equals 3 meters per second square. Applying the relevant acceleration equation, so we have Ag equals AA plus alpha cross RGA minus omega square RGA. By substituting, we will get Ag in I direction equals 3I plus AA in N direction J plus alpha K cross 0.5 J minus omega square multiply 0.5 J. So if we simplify this, we will get Ag of I equal 3 minus 0.5 alpha in I direction plus A of N minus 0.5 omega square in J direction. By equating the I component, we will get Ag equals 3 minus 0.5 alpha, and this equation is equation number 2. By solving the two equation 1 and 2, we will get Ag equal 1.5 meter per second square and alpha equals 3 radian per second square.